Indian Railways, which connects the heartbeat of the nation, stands as the backbone of development, trust, and nation building. The year 2025 emerged as a year of speed and confidence for Indian Railways. It symbolized a continuous journey in which Indian Railways advanced modern technology, enhanced connectivity, and inclusive development together. In the field of modern rail services, 2025 can be described as a year of renewed momentum. During this period, operations of 30 new Vande Bharat Express train services were launched, increasing the total number of such services across the country to 164. Additionally, with the introduction of the 26 Amrit Bharat train services, a total of 30 Amrit Bharat Express services are now available as accessible, comfortable, and reliable options for passengers. For the first time in Bihar, the operation of the Jayanagar-Patna Namo Bharat Rapid Rail marked an important step toward fast and modern rail travel, taking the total number of rapid rail services in the country to 4. The year also proved historic for Northeast India. Mizoram's capital, Aizawl, was connected to the rail network for the first time. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi inaugurated the Bairabi-Serang new rail line project. Along with this, the first Rajdhani Express from Aizawl, Serang to the national capital Delhi was also flagged off. A new chapter was added in freight transportation in Mizoram as well. For the first time, an automobile rake reached Serang railway station, carrying 119 cars from Changsari. In the year 2025, with the Udhampur-Srinagar-Baramulla rail link project, Kashmir was connected to the national rail network for the first time. Through this project, remarkable engineering marvels were dedicated to the nation, gaining global recognition. India's first railway cable-stayed bridge, the Anji Bridge, and the world's highest railway arch bridge, the Chenab Bridge, provided a new identity to rail connectivity in the challenging Himalayan terrain and set new benchmarks of technical excellence. In coastal infrastructure, the country's first vertical lift sea bridge, the new Pamban Rail Bridge, stood out as another major achievement. These bridges are not only outstanding examples of modern engineering and advanced technology but also facilitate seamless rail connectivity to the sacred Rameswaram island. Considering the increased passenger demand during the festive season, Indian Railways operated special trains on a large scale. While over 17,000 train trips were operated during the Mahakumbh, more than 12,000 trips were conducted nationwide during Durga Puja, Chhath, and Diwali. Including all other special services, more than 43,000 train services were operated in total during the year. On the station modernization front, the Amrit Bharat station scheme gained significant momentum in 2025. Redevelopment work progressed at over 1,300 stations across the country, with construction completed at 160 stations. On 22nd May, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi dedicated 103 Amrit stations to the nation. India's first bullet train project also witnessed substantial progress during 2025. The 508 km Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail project has made significant progress, with over 331 km of viaduct completed and pier work finished on 410 km of the alignment. In the field of electrification, Indian Railways came close to achieving its complete target. More than 99.2% of the broad gauge network has been electrified. The freight sector also saw a historic milestone in the financial year 2025-26, with Indian Railways recording over 1 billion tons of freight loading. Daily freight loading reached 4.4 million tons, highlighting the crucial role of railways in the country's economic activity. The year 2025 was also significant in expanding passenger amenities. By November 2025, 1,031 lifts had been installed at 724 stations, and 1,687 escalators at 422 stations nationwide, enabling safe and convenient movement for senior citizens, persons with disabilities, and passengers. In track renewal, from January to November 2025, rail track renewal was completed over 7,051 track kilometers. By November, construction of 1,161 road overbridges and road underbridges was completed, making district and road transportation safer and smoother. In terms of passenger volume, 2025 became a record-breaking year. From January to November, over 693 crore passengers availed railway services, reflecting efficient operations and growing public trust. To further enhance passenger convenience, Indian Railways also launched the Railvan app, a one-stop solution for all passenger services. The app is available on both the Android and iOS app stores. The Miana railway station in Guna district of Madhya Pradesh, by adopting a smart lighting system, the station saved 9,687 units of electricity, marking a significant achievement in energy efficiency. Overall, 2025 was a year of achievements, expansion, and the laying of a strong foundation for the future for Indian Railways.